Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to apologize to our followers on this channel that it has been a while that we have uploaded videos, and we sincerely apologize, and we are assuring you that this time around there's not going to be a stoppage. We are going to be uploading videos time to time that will be of great benefit to you. So today what we are going to discuss is how to plot a survey plan in Autocad 2D using line 2. How to plot a survey plan. We all know that how important is survey plan in building plan and approval. Survey plan is one of the documents that is very important for you if you want to build your house or if you want to build any structure, be it a residential or industrial layout or industrial building. So it is very important for us to know as a AutoCAD user or as an engineer or a draftsman or an architect to know, especially the upcoming one. I'm not talking about those established architects or engineers, because this lecture is purposely for the young engineers, young architects that are just coming up, or students. So today I'm going to be showing you how to use line to plot your survey plan in AutoCAD 2D. So before that, when you launch your AutoCAD, it will display this white background. Sometimes maybe a black or whatever color, depending on your setting. So what you are going to do is first of all set your unit. But before that, this grid line you are saying is called grid line. You can just off it by clicking. The grid below the taskbar to off your grid line. So let's quickly move to the topic of today. So as I said earlier on, survey plan is very important. It shows the property boundary, shows the extent of your property boundary. This is one of the documents required for the building approval. Also, it's one of the documents also required for your C of O. It helps in site plan and site analysis. So you can see that it's very important. So let's launch into today's work by showing you how to plot your survey point on AutoCAD. So let me show you what we are going to use for today's work. So this is survey plan of a certain area. So this is what we are going to be using for today's lecture. So in this survey plan, you can see degree, you can see meter, and all these other labeling. So but what we are most concerned with is the degree and the meter. Those are the things we are going to be making use of in this our tutorial of today. So let's go. So like I said earlier, you set your unit. In the first video I told us how to set units. So let's quickly use command. Just type UN on your keyboard and press enter. So it will pop up this dialog box when you press UN and press enter. Don't mind my system, it's a bit slow this morning because I have a lot of things on it. Let me see what is wrong with it. Okay, it's a bit slow. So when it's pop up this dialog box, just set your unit. You can set it to 1 decimal or 2 decimal places. Let me set it to 2 decimal places. I told you in the first video that by default the unit will be in inches, but we are making use of millimeter. If you are making use of meter, you can set it to meter. Let's make use of meter. Set it to meter, then you click OK. You have set our unit. So let's start. Go and click your line 2. We are going to make use of line, or you can use poly line, either line or poly line, any of the two. So when you click on line, click on your screen. Click on your model space, which is your screen. Then, so let me tell you, when you are plotting your survey points, don't on your auto. This is auto. If you on your auto, it will restrict you from moving at any angle. To only restrict you to orthogonal angle, which is 90 degrees. So you have to put it off. Okay, so now the first thing you are going to put, you first of all press shift alt on your keyboard. Press shift alt, then you now put the distance. So we are starting from this point. We are starting from 20.2 meter at 45 degree 37 minutes. So let's go. So let's put our 20. We set it to meter, so 0.2. Then you press shift lesser sign on your keyboard. You put your angle 45. Then you press D. I've made a little mistake. Off. Okay, we are forgotten to off our auto. Shift alt, you put your value 20.2. Then shift lesser sign 45. You press your D. Then you put the minute 37, the apostrophe sign, you press enter. Okay, then the second point, let's go. The second point, we are moving clockwise, not anti-clockwise. So the second point, let me zoom it so that you can see it very well, is 133 degree, 36 meter point 9 at 133 degree. So don't press escape key. Don't press escape key. So press shift alt again. 36.9. Then press shift lesser sign. Put your angle, which is 133. You press D. Then put the minute 58 minutes and press enter. Okay. All right. I don't want to zoom it too much. So then you move to next point. Let's move to next point. The next point is, you are going like this. You are going clockwise. The next point is 31 meter point 1 at 230 degree 29 minutes. So let's go. Is 31, shift alt. Don't forget to press shift alt. In 31.1, shift lesser sign 230, right, 230 degree, press D, which is telling the system the mean degree. Then 29 minutes, we press enter now. So we have to close it now. Let's go back and check. Okay, we are at this side, which is 35.6 meter at 331 degree 28 seconds minute rather. So let's go. So shift at 35.6, shift lesser sign 331 degree and 28 minutes. We press enter. So we press escape. We've closed, we've plotted our survey. Let's check. You can see, but never mind the orientation. You can see this side is wider, this side, so it's the opposite. This is the side. If you like, you can flip it, or you mirror it, any of the two, to give you the same orientation the way it is there. just type MI and mirror it. Click this point and this point. It will ask you, do you want to erase the source? Yes. See why? Press enter. You can see, we go back to our, you can see we have the same orientation now. So this is how to plot your survey. Then you can now label it, put in all those value, all those meter, all those degree, and all other points. So I think you enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to our channel, like it, share it. So and look for and be expecting us to give you more. Thank you.